Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show how to set up the PDF Printover feature. Before you can start using the PDF Printover form, you'll need to set it up. Once it's set up, the PDF Printover feature makes filling out forms like PMB registration or medical aid registration forms a breeze by automatically populating the necessary information. This automation not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of entering incorrect information, making the process much smoother and more efficient. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. Click on the Settings button, located on the navigation bar. Click on the Entity Settings tab, then click on the Workflow Event Templates panel. Now, click on the Choose Event drop-down menu and select the PDF Printover option from the list. Once selected, click on the Add Template button. The PDF Printover Workflow Event Template screen will open. We will now take a look at the various fields and sections within this screen. First, complete the template description with a suitable name. The placeholders can be used to pull through information from the system automatically without entering it manually. For more information on how to use placeholders, please refer to the Workflow Event WFE Placeholders User Manual, linked in this video's description. In order to use the PDF Printover feature, a PDF document must first be uploaded to this workflow event by clicking on the Choose File button and selecting the form from your local device. The selected form will now appear on the PDF Printover Workflow Event Template screen. The Quick Action buttons offer to add functionality and fields based on the respective name of the button, such as text fields, signatures and checkboxes. In order to start customizing the form, make sure to click on the Collapse PDF button. Also, click on the Borders On button to highlight the border of all the fields you'll be creating. Let's start by clicking on the Add button, then click on the panel to explore more customizable options. Click on the Description field and complete the name of the field. Click on the Type drop-down menu and select the type of field you wish to add to the form. For more information on the different types of fields that can be chosen and how they will work, please refer to the PDF Printover Customizable Field Types User Manual, linked in this video's description. For the purpose of this video, select the Text option. Tick the manual checkbox to indicate that fields can be manually overwritten even after the form customization process. Next, click on the Text field, then with the cursor now occupying the field, click on the Placeholders drop-down menu and select the applicable option from the list. To learn more on how to use placeholders, please refer to the How to Use Placeholders User Manual, linked in this video's description. Next, click on the Font Family drop-down menu and select your preferred font to be utilized for this field. Click on the Font Size field and adjust the size according to your preference. The Font Styling section can be utilized to even further customize your text. You can make your text bold, italicized, underlined, and even struck through text. Additionally, you can change the text color as well as highlight any necessary text. Click on the letter spacing field and adjust the spacing between characters according to your preference. The X and Y coordinates fields can be utilized to move the added field across the form. Alternatively, you can drag the new field across the form as well. Click on the page number field and enter the page number the specific field will be utilized on. You can add as many fields as you like to the form by clicking on the Add button. Click on the Sort button to arrange the display order of the fields according to the order they appear on the form from top to bottom. Clicking on the Show Only Manual Questions button will allow you to filter the list of added fields according to the fields that needs to be filled manually. Click on the Show All button to remove the filter and show all fields. To expand all the fields you made, click on the Expand All button, and to return the fields the way they were, click on the blue Collapse All button. Once you are satisfied with the information completed, click on the Save button. Please note that information will only be displayed once the PDF Printover form is used. To learn more on how to use the PDF Printover form, please refer to the How to Use the PDF Printover User Manual, linked in this video's description.